I mixed 2 liters of solution to clean 2 operatories. Start cleaning the room that is furthest away from the utility room to avoid recontamination of the lines. In the first operatory, place the dispenser up straight. Attach the saliva ejector and the high volume evacuation hoses to the adapters in the cap. Make sure the vacuum pump is turned on and then open the hand-pieced valve. The dispenser creates a mixture of air and liquid and aspirates the solution through the lines, forming a vortex for a complete cleaning. It automatically stops when the right amount is dispensed. Disconnect the handpieces. For ideal cleaning result, leave solution in the evacuation lines for at least 1 hour or overnight. You can enhance your cleaning effectiveness if you flush the system with 2 liters of water prior to utilization of evacuation lines